Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing things I won at the Don't Be a Monster virtual charity auction. So this is from Stiltbeast Studios. So here we go. And you love how the Postal Service sent the box. Before we start getting into what all this is, they packed some stuff. Oh, look at that. A little skeleton dude. Some dinosaurs. Magnet. More dinosaurs. And a button. So this is the werewolf hands and werewolf mask with Bitemares teeth. And I know that these hands come in different sizes because they asked me ahead of time what size hands I were. So pretty cool. So this must be part of a stand. Oh, sure enough. So alright, so this mask comes in two pieces. And there's a little bit of glue and so this is the upper, this is the lower, so let's see what we got when we give it a test drive. Alright guys, so